$19 million fraud uncovered at courts. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Unicom Jamaica has announced that a former employee at one of his subsidiaries' court has been arrested and charged in relation to the discovery of a $19 million fraud. In a media release on Thursday, Unicom said that it recently discovered irregularities within its furniture and appliance retailer and promptly engaged law enforcement to conduct a thorough investigation. At Unicom Jamaica, we maintain a steadfast commitment to upholding the highest standards of integrity and ethics. We have a zero-tolerance policy towards fraud activities, and we are resolute in our dedication to taking swift and decisive action whenever suspicious behaviors come to light, including to collaborate closely with authorities to ensure that a thorough investigation is done. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.